Hey, it's Jay, and this is my buddy Josh, and we've been hearing a lot about this product called Super Clean online. It's a degreaser that you can use in all places around your house.
Yeah, we're going to test out this product today. We're going to clean under the hood of a car. We're also going to clean the car's tires, as well as a grill and some household items, see how it does.
And this isn't a paid advertisement, so this is going to be a completely honest review.
All right, let's get started.
First up, the grill. They sent us two products that essentially do the same thing. One's in aerosol form and one's in spray bottle form. So I'm gonna just use both. This is just a grill mat, and I grill vegetables on it, that kind of stuff. And then we've got all the gross grease. So I'm gonna try the aerosol here, and I'll try this spray here. And I'm just wearing safety gloves as a precaution. So they said let the product sit for a little while, but make sure you don't let it dry on the surface. And after you've let it sit for a few minutes, make sure you do clean it up because the product is flammable. We used a microfiber cloth to wipe down all the surfaces on the grill, making sure we got it all before it dried. Now just for a little rinse. We just finished up a really heavy duty job, so I wanted to see how it worked in the kitchen on a lighter job. So I've sprayed it on the stovetop and we're letting it soak. It is kind of cool, you can actually see the grease in the foam here. Wow, that's actually pretty good. It's coming right off. This kind of looks like a new, great, that's actually really good. Oh, look at the grease in here.
Wow. It's all coming out.
Yeah, see. Oh,
whoa. Gross. Look at that.
Let's try this one. Oh, this one actually. Coming right off. That one was easy. It's pretty good too. Yes, this is a 0 grade steel wool, so it's very good at getting it, and it doesn't scratch the stainless steel too badly. Rinse them off.
Okay, so coming up next, Jay and I are going to clean the tires on our car using the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. Now, supposedly, this stuff takes off dirt, grime, and brake dust, and we got some pretty dirty tires. So I'm gonna work on it. Jay's gonna help me a little bit. Let's see if it works.
Let's go. We sprayed down the tires, we applied the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. I actually applied it very liberally because there's so much grime on the tires. And we're gonna let it sit for a little while and then wipe it all down.
5 minutes later.
All right, well, I gotta say, I'm actually really impressed with this product. I mean, it was about 20 minutes of really hard scrubbing, and it came out terrific. I'm really happy with my handiwork. I would highly recommend this product for tires. It's really good, don't you think?
Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good.
All right. Okay, we have one more test we're gonna do today. We're gonna use the Super Clean aerosol to try to clean up this engine.
But we gotta wait a couple minutes.
Why is that?
Well, it has to be cool first.
Oh, well, in that case, now it's cool.
Wow, it's like coming off really easily. So the one thing with this product, you want to make sure that you're well ventilated. We've noticed that if we're like really close to the aerosol, and it says it right on the bottle, make sure you're ventilated, but it kind of makes us cough if we're too close. It's probably not a good thing, so being outside actually is very helpful. So I'm just gonna wipe it down and then just continue to rinse out my cloth here. Oh my gosh, look at that grime. Holy. Yeah, let's see how this engine looks.
Quite a transformation. I'm glad we didn't do this in the living room like I wanted to.
Most things under the hood you can get wet, no problem. It's not an issue. You can actually wash under your hood, but there's certain things you don't want to get soaked. Alternator is one, and obviously you don't want to get the terminal battery all wet and that kind of thing. Hey, I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, not bad. Really came out nice.
A lot better than it was, that's for sure. I wanted to do one more final test because I heard that you could use Super Clean on your clothes. If you get a grease stain, it'll take it out. So what we did was we actually dirtied up a shirt. We treated it with the Super Clean product. We put it into the washer, dried it out. So let's see what happened.
Just make sure you use the right dryer setting.
And it's still a little wrinkly, but all the stains are gone. What are we gonna be doing today?
We're gonna look at
Well, it has to be cool before you apply this.
Oh, well, in that case. Cut. Oh, son of a...